sale price for such things as time and additions or alterations made after the sale occurred. So meron tayong RCA na tinatawag. So parang gagawa ka ng panibagong cost niya, panibagong tawag dito, panibagong halaga niya sa panahon ngayon based sa mga presyo ngayon. Tapos sunod po, estimate the price paid for the land using the land values, compute the replacement cost of building using local cost factors. So yan po yung sinasabi. So kung saan naman po yan, kung sa machinery, yung tinatawag ng price index. So pataas ng pataas. So sabi po, subtract the value of land from the adjusted sales price to arrive at an indicated total improvement value. So inulit lang po, extraction method. Ano po ibig sabihin ng extraction method? Nakuha po natin yung total sales minus yung total sales minus sa land ng sa value ng land. So yun po yung tinatawag na para makuha mo yung value ng building. So sunod po, subtract the depreciated value of other land improvements and divide the residual house value by building floor to arrive at derived value of building. So yan po yung pagkuha ng ating depreciation. So yan po yung sample. So paano po nakuha yung average depreciation? 3.26 plus 3.36. Paano po nakuha? Average ng depreciation. Ibig sabihin, yung taas minus yung baba minus ano po?